stain's been there for about a week. So let's see what this strong Kangen water can do to it. And got some other spots here. Looks like it worked pretty good. You can, I guess, kind of still see the outline. But it worked pretty good, and looks pretty good. This part, it's all dirty, stains from, it's probably 10 years old. Some of these stains are probably five years old too. But anyways, I'm gonna try to do this. See what happens. I'm gonna spray the whole thing. Get a towel and just go left to right. See what happens. Came out pretty good. You can see how much dirt the towel picked up. But you can still see some spots. The best stuff to use is a 50-50 mixture of the strong Kangen water, pH of like, mine gets up to like 12, and half that and half advantage, there's no T. It's just cleaning stuff. It's really good, but half advantage and half strong Kangen water with the saline injection. And it's probably the best combination for cleaning any spots in the world.